Welcome back. You have learned about scatter plot, line chart, and bar chart already in previous videos. Now, here comes our last visualization module, the pie chart. This video will focus on the demonstrations of creating pie charts. You can learn how to customize the chart in this video. Be reminded that at the end of this video, there will be a summary table for you to review all the commands taught in this video. A pie chart is a circular statistical graphic. It illustrates a portion of each element by the size of slices. In the pie chart, the arc length of each slice is proportional to the quantity it represents. It is often used to show the percentage composition of each element. We have imported a new data subset called Data3 from July sales data for demonstration. The dataset has two columns. One shows the product type and the other one presents the percentage of sales that each product type accounts for. This module also requires you to install and load the ggplot2 package. To create a pie chart, you need ggplot, dual column, and chord polar. And the ggplot function, put data3 first and then include the ace function. We need to set x equals to blank and y equals to percentage inside the brackets. The reason why we set y equals to percentage is because the data is taken from the percentage column in the data set. Moreover, you need to set fill equals to product so that each slice is given a color based on the default setting. Inside chord polar, you need to set theta equals to y in this example. The theta function is used to set the map angle to either variable x or variable y. After running the whole command, this is the pie chart that you will get. There are x and y axes named x and percentage in this graph. Don't worry, this is not the final version of the pie chart. We will modify it with more codes. To eliminate the gray backgrounds and labels, simply add the theme void function to the codes. Then you can get this chart. You can also add a frame to the pie chart. For example, set column equals to black and size equals to the thickness of 0.3, like this. You may set the frame to any color and any size according to your preference. Next, let's learn about how to change the color of each slice in the pie chart. There are two ways. First, you can use the Scale Fill Manual function to specify colors to each slice. To do so, you can use the Values function and specify the colors for each slice in the C bracket. Another way to specify color is to use the palettes in R. The palette is a vector of colors. The vector contains some colors for you to use in your pie chart. Let's use the Scale Fill Bureau function in this case. We need to install and load our Color Bureau package first. To view the names and colors of palettes, you can Google it or use the display.brewer.o function. Here, let's use the Set3 palette. By specifying the palette name in the codes, the pie slices will change automatically according to the palette. After changing the color of the pie chart, we can move on to add labels for the slices. To do so, you need the geomText function. Inside geomText, add the ace function and set label equals to percentage. Run the command and the numbers will be shown on the pie chart. However, they are not in the proper position. We need to do some adjustments to move them to a better position. Two adjustments are made here, which are position and x value. First, the position is set to be position stack in this example. The position stack function is used to stack overlapping objects on top of one another. We need this function here to separate the labels. Inside the position stack function, let's set vjust value to 0.5. Now you can see that the labels are in layer sizes. Next, the x value represents the distance between the label and the center of the pie chart. A larger positive value means that the label is further away from the center. In this example, x is set to be 1.1, making the labels in a proper position. Suppose that we set x value to a larger positive number. Then the labels will move further away from the center and even outside the pie chart. Thus, you may set a value according to where you want the labels to locate in. To finalize the pie chart, again, we add titles and captions with the labs function. After running the command, you can get this nice looking chart. To conclude, this video teaches you how to create a pie chart and modify it to a more professional design. R is a powerful data analysis tool that can help you to create professional charts. If you need data visualization in your reports, please try out R to know how powerful it is. The next video will focus on regression. Please continue with the next module.